For my small block guys out there, my carburetor guys, man, I'm gonna need y'all. Hey, I'm gonna need y'all, man, for real, for real. I said, hey, yo. Man, this your boy Tulu, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Let me take this out. Hey, that's what's up, man. Listen, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. And if everything ain't going right for you right now, just like I always say, just wait, man. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week. You could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. And if you see somebody out here getting what they deserve, if you see somebody out here grinding, hey, listen, don't hate on it. Just wait on it, man. Your time could be coming up next, bro. All right, y'all. This is shake back just a little bit, man. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. You know, I clear the air. Yeah, it sucks that my car's fucked up. Definitely sucks. But I gotta stand by like what I be saying at the beginning of this, man. You know, 5, 10, 15, maybe next year. Hey, I could definitely be in a better situation. And keep your head up and keep trucking. Cause life ain't all cupcakes and rainbows. It's not always cupcakes and rainbows, man. So hey, what they say, life give you lemon, make some lemonade. I like some good lemonade. All right, man, so let's get to it. We're gonna be trying to get the Cutlass back up and running. As y'all know, it has a 350 small block Chevy in it. It has the 670 Holley carburetor on it, and as of right now, it's been running with that manual fuel pump, and we've been having problems out of the, like, I guess, fuel delivery. So shout out to my dude SS Gang, man. He pretty much my brother got this stuff from him probably about like the end of last year or whatever, and we never really got around to installing it or figuring out what we really want to do with the project, man. So what I'm gonna be doing is trying to install this puppy, and we're gonna see if we can just get her back up running, driving under her own power, and hopefully getting better fuel, man. Now what I've been doing is trying to chase down how they have this line ran. I mean, they just have a incoming line, there's no return, and I see they have it ran down under there. I do not like the location of that filter. I do not like the location of that filter, so we might try to change that. But I see they do got it wrapped around, and I think he just got it connected down there to the old gas line. And for those who already know, well, that's been around for a while, I've already taken the other gas tank out of here. Shout out to my guy SS once again. He also gave him a gas tank, MSD box, and I think the Hyper Spark, which, like I said, man, we just gonna focus on trying to just get the car running right now. So as y'all see, I've already pretty much cleaned up and undercoated pretty much with the gas tank and everything. It's gonna be is dusty and spider webs up under here now, but it did look good. So I did follow and trace that line back. I know it's that right side one right there. That's my line that needs gas to it. But what I'm thinking is I'm gonna just delete these lines, and I'll go get probably about like 16 feet, maybe a little more, of some rubber fuel line, probably like the 3/8 because I think that's what definitely comes on these. And then I'm gonna need to swap these fittings out on this thing, so we could put like the AN to barb fitting. We're also gonna have to figure out where we're gonna get our power from, and I'll probably just ground it out on the bracket wherever I decide to. I'm thinking about just putting it right, right up there. Man, I'm still sore as I don't know what. Y'all bear with me. I'm just trying to get back into motions, man. But I think I'm gonna put it right there on that little back plate of the body. Well, I think that's the body right there. Yeah, right below the trunk area. I think I'm gonna put it right there. I think that'll be a good location. And then run the line from there to up here to the gas tank. That's about it. Now I think, well, yeah, it already has the regulator on it. Like I said, we probably just get another fuel filter, and I'm gonna need to get that plate because we're gonna take the old fuel pump off. Just delete that all together. We're just gonna take that all the way off and get the little plate slap on there, and I think we should be good, man. Y'all excuse me, I'm still like, I truly really don't want to do nothing. For real, I don't want to do nothing. But I can't stay down for too long, man. I can't stay down for too long till I figure out my next step, what I want to do. This is what we're gonna be doing, man. I appreciate all the love, the shout outs, the real, the fake. I appreciate it all, man, because I could have not been here to appreciate it. So I mean, it is what it is, man. However you feel is however you feel. Salute to you. But other than that, that's it, y'all. Well, y'all see what your boy about to get working on. Try to get her back up and running and going, and then we just gonna go from there, man. Hey, keep pounding like my dude DK say, even though he a Carolina Panthers fan. That's neither here nor there, though. Hey, for my small block guys out there, my carburetor guys, man, I'm gonna need y'all. Hey, I'm gonna need y'all, man, for real, for real. Hey, like I say, I am not a professional, nor do I claim to be. I love my carburetors, but you know what I'm saying, I never tweak, mess with one at all, you know what I'm saying. So I've been doing a whole lot of LS stuff though. But hey, if y'all see what some things that I probably need to do, some things that I ought to do to be able to get her back up and running, man, just let me know. Drop it down in the comments, man. Hey, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man. Help me. Hey, but until next time, man, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell on to all, so you'll get the drop whenever I drop a video, do a live or a short, man. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, baby. Hey, salute, salute, salute. Let's get it.